Dear customer, we thank you for purchasing the thermo shaker from Unigenetics. This machine is from our principals Alshang. This is a very simple plug and play machine, but still we are trying to give a small demo so that it helps you. As you can see that this is a 220 volt machine, and this is CE, and we have just put the connector, and this is the main on off switch. So I'm putting it on. So initially it says system testing, and then it comes to the first screen. So as you will see that there are 4 parameters. One is segment, one is set temperature, one is set speed and actual speed. The lower one is set parameters, and the upper row is actual parameters and the time. So there could be 4 segments: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, or you can say 4 programs. Then comes the temperature. Temperature, you can cool also and heat also, but the lower temperature for the cooling depends on the room temperature. So if the room temperature is say around 20 degrees centigrade, the lowest temperature it can go to 0 degrees centigrade. If the room temperature is around 25 degrees centigrade, the lowest is can go up to 4 degree. And if your room temperature is around 30 degrees centigrade, the lowest it can go to 10 degrees centigrade, though the higher will be 100 degrees centigrade always. Then third is speed. So speed can be from 0 to 1500 rpm. And then there is time. So time can be from 0 to 99 hours and 59 minutes. 99 hours and 59 minutes. So to begin with, I am giving a very simple program for a minute. Say my segment is 1, I can make it 2 also. Now I am making it 1. Say my temperature, I am making it 15 degree. Then so you can hear this sound. So this is the basically Peltier cooling, and here you will see some air also. So whatever the heat comes, it comes out from the fan outside, and you can see here that the temperature has started going down, and it will go to 15 degrees centigrade. And this is the RPM. I can increase or decrease it. So say for example I want to run at 1200 rpm, and for trial just 1 minute. So we can do 2 things: either this temperature comes to 15 and then if we want to start we can do that, and if we want to start earlier we can start earlier also, it will start. So suppose I don't want to wait for the temperature to go up to 15 degrees centigrade. I am just starting it. So this is the 1200 rpm speed, and it will run for 1 minute, and after 1 minute it will stop. In between I have to stop, then I have to press this for a longer time. Hold it. So it has stopped. So basically this is a very simple machine, but still, and one more important thing is there, that as I said that these are the segments or program, and we can store up to 5: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. Suppose my S1 is this. Parameters are 15 degrees centigrade temperature, 1200 rpm speed, and 1 minute time. Suppose in segment 2, again I say that my temperature say 20, and RPM I have made it 1600, and to save the time I am making it 1 minute. So my segment 1 was different. Segment 1 was 15 degrees centigrade, 1200 RPM, 1 minute. Segment 2 is 2600. If I want to club these two, S1 and S2 together, that also we can do that. For that, what we will have to do, we will have to go to program, and I will say start S1 and end S2. Means it will start from segment 1 and it will end at segment 2. This is called multi-point programming. And again I can make it S3 also, S4 also, S5 also. Then it will start from S1, then it will go to S2, S3, S4 and then S5. So all the segments it will run one by one. So to make it easy and to save time, I am making it only two segments, S1 and S2. So if I press start, S1 is 15, let me make it 15. So it has started cooling. So program is S1, S2, and if I will say start, so firstly it will run S1. So you can see that on the top line it is S1. So once this will be completed, or say 1 minute will be over, it will come to S2, then it will run for S2 for 1 minute and then it will stop automatically. Okay, let us see that how it goes to S2 from S1 and then it stops. Because I started at the present temperature, so still you can see that the temperature is going down. Ideally you should wait for the temperature to come and then you should run. So it is taking a lot of time, so I am stopping it here, and it will do one by one, S1 and S2. So I am stopping it just to save time. And this is our block actually. So this block is basically block number C. C is basically 35 vials of 1.5 ml. If we want to change some different block, we can do that. You can see that this is a Allen key that comes with the machine, and there are 4 Allen screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have to change your block, open these 4 Allen screws and fix up a new block. So it's quite easy. So I do hope that this small demo would have helped you. And one more thing, if you want to make a small short mix, you can do that. Suppose my parameters are this much and I want to do a short mix. So press it and hold it. So till the time you will hold it, it will do the mixing. Say for 4-5 seconds or 10 seconds, you can always do that. And you can do that up to 9 seconds. So the moment you will release this key, it will stop. So this is basically for short mixes. So again, we are thankful for purchasing the machine, and if you find any problems, you can always contact Uni Genetics. Thank you so much.